girl, hey. Thanks for coming to check out another wig review. This one is from one of my favorite companies, LuvMe Hair. They were kind enough to send over this wig. So thank you so much, LuvMe Hair, for continuing to rock with the kid and always sponsor this channel. So this wig is a kinky straight bob. I have worn this wig before. I did record all the steps on getting this wig to this place, but I lost the footage. I'm so sorry. This is the cap construction. It is a C-part wig. I love C-part wigs, and just wigs that just have the exact amount of parting space that you need. They're usually more affordable and they're much more beginner friendly. So I also love wigs that have an elastic band attached inside because it just helps the wig to fit your head perfectly. LuvMe did send a bonnet also in the packaging, and I was so grateful for that because you can never have enough bonnets. Like, you can never have enough. You need one everywhere. You need one in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the shower, in the closet. Like, I love it. So thank you for that. So right away you can see, as soon as you pop this baby on, she is fire. Now, like I said, I did wear this wig before, so I had added some lace tint spray. I had plucked the baby hairs a little bit, and I plucked some of the parting space as well. That footage got lost, but you can see this wig has the kinky curly edges, and I love that about this wig. It just makes it look so natural and so realistic with just the slightest bit of plucking and a little bit of ebon lace tint spray. It just looks amazing. Like, look at this wig up close. The knots are really small. The color of the lace is amazing, and the texture of the hair is just so natural, and the texture of these kinky edges is just, it's giving black girl realness, and I love it. Now, when I had worn this wig before, I did blow dry it out. But this time I wanted to see how it would do with it being flat ironed. Last time I wore it just blown out, but I think a flat iron will do nicely with this unit. So I kind of want to see how it looks pressed out. Is it still giving black girl hair, or does it kind of just silk out so much that it just looks like, I don't know, a body wave unit? So I definitely wanted to test that theory. I grabbed my Babyless 1 inch, or I think this is 1 inch. I grabbed my Babyless 1 inch flat iron and went to work. So I just had to come on and say, look how this hair is silking out. Like, it is giving black girl realness, fresh silk press realness. I am loving it. Of course, I didn't expect anything less from LuvMe Hair. Their hair is definitely bomb. But yeah, by the time I was done with this hair, everyone in my family was like, is that your hair? Your hair looks so healthy, mommy. Your hair looks so soft, mommy. Your hair is flowing so nicely. I'm like, oh, thank you. Low key, it's a wig. It's a wig. But yeah, no, this hair is definitely bomb. I will leave links down below where you can check this hair out on online, and I'll also leave a coupon code if you guys want to grab it and save you a little bit of coins. cannot get over how this hair just silked down. Look at that part. Look at those edges. Okay, if that's not what my real hair looks like when I flat iron it, I don't know what is. It's fire. It's definitely, definitely fire. So once all the flat ironing was done, I decided to just tack down the sides of the closure a little bit. I just wanted to tack down just the sides of the closure. I didn't do everywhere because I didn't feel like doing all that, but I definitely wanted to tack down the sides. I went ahead and grabbed my Yellowbird blow dryer, but my baby was sitting right next to me and I just didn't want to turn it on and scare her because she was like really peaceful and chill. So I ended up not turning on the blow dryer and I just used my little mini fan. I got this mini fan from Amazon actually for like summer warm weather, and I just pop it in my purse for when I need it. But I also use it to lay down my lace when I'm at my makeup desk. So definitely grab yourself one of those. It comes in pretty handy when you don't feel like dealing with a blow dryer, or if you're out and about, it is battery operated, or you can charge it. Oh, and the spray adhesive I'm using is just my Evan lace mount spray. I've been using this for a long time. I really, really like it. I am in the market for something else though. I feel like there's maybe something else I could give a try and test out on the channel. So let me know if you guys know of anything else I could use as a lace melt adhesive for when I wear my lace wigs just for the day. So this is the end result. I am loving how this hair came out. You cannot even tell this is a closure. You cannot even tell where my real edges are and where the closure edges are because they blend so well. You can't even tell it's a closure at all. It looks like maybe it's a sew-in or something. I don't know. I think this hair is beautiful. It's full, it's cut beautifully, it curls beautifully, and or I didn't curl it, but you know, it flat irons and silks out beautifully. You don't have to do any extra cutting, any layers, nothing. It's just beautiful, fresh out the pack, and I'm here for it. I'm here for these natural looking lace front styles. I'm so glad we made it here. Like, this is where I always wanted to be with my lace wigs. So I'm thrilled. I love this. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out LuvMe Hair for yourself. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you're already subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed because YouTube is out here playing with people. And do one thing for me. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.